In this video, let's walk through how to push code to GitHub from Visual Studio. First, head to github.com and create a new repository where we will push our code. For this, we need to initialize a local Git repository and then push it to GitHub. So let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. So please like this video. Start by naming your repository, for example, test repo. If the name is available, click Create Repository. This repository will be where you store your code on GitHub. But before we do anything on GitHub, we need to initialize a local Git repository on our machine. Go to your project, open the terminal, and click New Terminal. Now, we need to run a command, git init. This will initialize an empty Git repository, and you should see a confirmation message. If you encounter an error like Git not found, it means you need to install Git on your system. To install Git, go to Google and download it from the official website. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, etc. Download the installer and follow the installation process. Once Git is installed, go back to your project folder and run git init again. This time, it should work. Next, we need to commit our changes before we can push the code. But before committing, we have to tell Git which files to track and push. To do this, run the command git add dot. This adds all files to be tracked. Now that our files are tracked, we can commit them by running git commit -m initial commit. This will commit your changes locally, preparing them for pushing. The next step is to link our local repository to the GitHub repository. Copy the URL of your GitHub repository and run the following command in your terminal. Git remote add origin repository URL. To verify that the URL was added correctly, run git remote -v. You'll see the URL for both push and fetch operations. Finally, to push your project to GitHub, use the command git push origin master. This will push your local project to the master branch of the GitHub repository. Once the push is complete, go to your GitHub repository and reload the page. You should now see your code there. And that's how you upload a project to GitHub. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.